The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for East Central DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located over Oak Brook, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Westchester, Northlake, and Hillside around 5 p.m. Elmhurst, Maywood, Bellwood, and Broadview around 5:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Melrose Park, Forest Park, and River Forest, including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 137 and 140. Interstate 290 between mile markers 13 and 20. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning issued for the same area.
Real secret.